Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Kodo Millet Rasam. This is a very healthy recipe and immunity booster. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of peppercorns and a teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. Then to this add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot and to this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 2 dried red chillies, a pinch of Asafoetida and a tablespoon of Kodo millet. Give it a quick mix and allow them to splutter. Then to this add the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute well until the tomato turns mashy. Kodo millets are gluten-free, rich in antioxidants, treats iron deficiency, regulates blood sugar levels and aids in weight loss. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add half cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and off the flame. Now our delicious Kodo Millet Rasam is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. So do try this Kodo Millet Rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.